Hi, hello, and welcome to day 8. I was about to say 7. Day 8 of Pie a Day with Me. So first things first, I want to apologize because I have not posted for the past 3 days. I was banned on TikTok from posting, so therefore I couldn't post any Pie a Day videos. But I actually had to buy entirely new pies because the pies that I had expired. So this is apple pie, and I'm going to be trying it for y'all. I don't even have a spoon. Let me get a spoon. And people keep asking me if I don't have real silverware. We do. I just prefer to use plastic on my teeth, but I mean it doesn't necessarily bother me. It doesn't hurt me to use metal. I just don't like the feeling on my teeth. But here is apple pie. I love apples. I believe this is green apple pie. At least that's what it looks like on the box. And I love green apples. I prefer green apples, but I love any kind of apple, honestly. Maybe I'll have to do a series of me trying apples. Here we go. It's like cinnamony. It's kind of like pumpkin pie. Okay, it's not like pumpkin. It's not like pumpkin pie, but it tastes cinnamony like pumpkin pie. Sorry, that's my air fryer. Stay tuned for tonight's dinner video. Oh my gosh, it's falling. Alright, my dog just ate that. I hope dogs can eat that. If not, I have to take a trip to the vet tonight. Anyways, that's not bad. That is not a bad pie. It didn't even need whipped cream. That's a really good pie. Let's go to my spreadsheet. What a coinky dink, because today is day 8 of the series and I'm rating it an 8. It was really good. So the cinnamon cake was delicious. The pecan pie was phenomenal. And this one, phenomenal as well. I feel like the cake is obviously going to be better than the pies because it's so soft. I definitely could dip that cinnamon cake in some milk. Anyways, this video is not about the cinnamon cake, it's about the apple pie. The apple pie was really good. I absolutely love apples, so it's a no-brainer that I wouldn't like apple pie. And I do like cinnamon. Like I said, it has that hint of cinnamon like pumpkin pie does. But anyways, stay tuned for tomorrow for the next pie day. Oh, also, I have blueberry pie, cherry pie, lemon cake. Let me know which one you want me to try tomorrow.